We talk football SA. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Golden Arrows 1. MTN 8 last 8. Kaizer Chiefs is out, my brother. What can you say? Your name first.
Masithola
Yeah, Masithola Putwam.
yeah, siphumile MTN 8 is fine, but into engayithetha as a coach or midfielders, because iyona ndawo endiyaziyo leyo.
Yeah.
If uyabona uba apha kulungi as a midfielder,
Yeah.
you must have creative midfielders.
Yeah.
Someone who can read the game to say, okay, this side is not working. Actually, we need number 10.
Yeah.
So uzokwazi ukudistribute ibhola, alinge ne-strikers, alinge ne-midfielders.
Yes.
We need someone ozokwenza izinto zenzeke.
Yeah. Yeah.
Awukwazi udlala ngathi uyi-robot, ubuyisela ibhola emva, sidliwa.
Aye.
Funa wenza sure uba you press, you need someone on a skill, who can do i-take-ons.
Yes.
So thina sawuhlala siluza because singathi singabantu abafollow i-program. Sifollow i-program, buyele emva ibhola but siyadliwa. You must make sure uba sibeke ibhola phambili, sifake i-pressure kwi-defender. Uba even a-striker or what i-left wingers or right wingers, abafake i-pressure i-defense the opposite side.
Yes.
So what I can say, we need to have the mentality to say, let's read the game. Let's see the weakness of opposition.
Yeah.
Let's put pressure so that obvious as a person you make a mistake. So abantu bazamenza mistakes. So you must press, be creative.
Yeah.
Mna with Chiefs i-backline, i-right, i-midfielder, we must okay. Mna into engayitsho, number 6, we need someone who's a sticker, who's a protected defender, and have number 8. Yeah.
No more Ox.
Yeah, Ox benimdinga le game. I thought uzawuqala ngo-Ox noNdlovu. Sicontrol igame qala, ne? And then sibone i-opposition idlala kanjani na. And then uputha abantu abazo-attacka.
Yeah.
So if asiyenzi loo nto sibamba ibhola siyibuyisele emva, ingathi asina sense of agency.
Yeah.
So we must have a sense of agency. Ibhola mayidla mayihambe quick ezinyaweni. So ile nto back pass, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work for us.
Yeah.
And then yeah, because I retake game even before it started. I knew the moment befaka uNgcombo akekho quick. Ugood ekupaseni but akayo quick. Upasa when necessary, but you have xa udlala position funeka ube ngumuntu ocinga fast.
Yeah.
But what I can say, Amakhosi, what they can do, maybe because now we are out of the MTN 8, let's focus on a league.
Yeah.
Put uNdlovu ufake pressure. I don't know what happened to Silva. Maybe he was injured.
Yeah, Walimale Mbombela.
Yeah. It's fine. But maybe let's focus and make sure that we don't lose any points on league. Maybe it's a draw. It's fine. Thank you.